Suzuki are proud to present it's 1.6 litre diesel Vitara SZ5. Finished in metallic horizon orange, featuring the black roof, to have colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, polished alloy wheels. The vehicle's in great condition, has had just one owner from new. The SZ5 has plenty of great features. You have the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. It's also keyless entry and keyless start, automatic headlights and Bluetooth connectivity. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. You can see the leather and suede seats. In-car entertainment features this 7-inch colour touchscreen. Here you'll find satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, smartphone link for Apple and Android devices, and Bluetooth connectivity with voice command. We also have automatic climate control with air conditioning, and 6-speed box. Perhaps the best feature of the SZ5 is the panoramic sunroof. Also features electric blind. If we move to the rear, see the Vitara has room for 3 passengers. Great leg room, again leather and suede. Towards the rear of the vehicle, tinted privacy glass on 3 sides. Now the SZ5 also features front and rear parking sensors, as well as reverse camera. As well as just having one owner from new, this vehicle also has full main dealer service history. The vehicle would come with a full service and be given 12 months MOT before leaving.